Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. There are a lot of white fragrance flowers in our garden, such as Rajnigandha or tuberose, Kamini, Indian jasmine, Harisinger, etc. The jasmine plant is a source of exotic fragrance in warmer climates. It is an important scent noted in perfumes and also has herbal properties. There are different varieties of jasmine, and most of them we have in our gardens. The plants may be vines or bushes, and some are evergreen. Most jasmine plants are found in tropical to subtropical climates, although a few may thrive in temperate zones. Protection from cold temperatures is one of the most important aspects of jasmine plant care. This is the plant just after the winter. We first pruned it and then fertilize it. Look, so many seeds my mom are collecting. And you can easily grow new plants from these seeds. You just need to know some care about this jasmine plant in order to grow them. Look, there are so cute small plants grown from the jasmine plant's seeds. This is the picture of our recent plant. So today I will tell you how you can get huge amount of flowers by taking some simple care. So first you need to fertilize the plant in spring just before new growth appears. Then pinch off the tip to make your plant bushy and healthy. Our plants already has buds, so this is the second time my mom is fertilizing them. My mom gives mixed homemade fertilizer that contains leaf compost, banana peels and kitchen waste compost. As Delhi has extreme climate, after you have done giving the fertilizer, you'll have to mulch it. After mulching, give sufficient amount of water. This fertilizer contains potassium, magnesium, calcium and other many kinds of macro and micronutrients. Sometimes the vines of our jasmine plant can be prone to spider mites. To not get spider mites or get rid of spider mites, you can get neem oil and bioenzymes get sprayed to your plant. Bioenzyme is an insecticide and also a plant booster. If you want to watch videos about bioenzyme, there are a lot of videos about that in our channel, so feel free to watch them. I hope if you follow this video, you will get a huge amount of aromatic jasmine flowers and your garden will look so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.